Is Lola scared of the storm? Lola, what is that spot on your head? Are you got a bald spot? Are you getting old? Lola, are you scared of the storm? Of the hurricane? Is it scary? I know. Stuff keeps hitting the house and stuff. Are we scared, Lola? It's gonna be okay. Mama's gonna protect you. Will you protect Mama, Miss Piggy? Miss Piggy, will you protect Mama from the storm too if I protect you? Lola, what is it? Lola, what is that? Lola, what is it? Lola, what is that? Lola, Mama's scared. I know. I'm scared. See, we don't like this hurricane, everybody. No. We don't like the hurricane. It's scary. It's scary. I know. We keep hearing stuff fall on the house. See, we scared. We scared. Yeah. Susu, are you scared? Susie, are you scared of the hurricane too? Susie's just all about love and kisses. She's like, no. Just if something... Oh, Lola, you burped. Get down. Nasty. Lola's... That's nasty. Go on. They're like, here comes Suzu. There's Lola. There's Suzu. There's Lola. Lola, what is it? Lola. Lola, what is it? Is that the storm? Suzu, what is it? Is it the storm? Is it the storm? Huh? Oh, I probably look horrible. Yeah, we're in this hurricane, so hopefully we're going to be okay, everybody. It's pretty windy out there. I looked out the window and the trees are pretty swaying back and forth. So, say hi, babe. Say hi, babe. We're not all going to die. Shut up. It's not nice. Lola. Lola. Miss Piggy. Go get him. Watch him. Oh, I packed a suitcase, you guys, in case we had to leave, so I was pretty scared. But it went down from a Category 4 to a Category 3, so hopefully we'll be okay. I didn't get much sleep last night because I was scared, but the worst is coming right now. So, love y'all. Bye. Say bye. Say bye, Susu. Susu, look at Mama. Say bye. Lola. Miss Piggy. Watch him. Watch him. Watch him, Miss Piggy. Miss Piggy. Bye, guys.